Okay, boom viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We are blessed. You also know the story incomplete of minute up on the beat, and as you can see on the screen, boy oh boy oh boy oh boy oh boy, people RT boss name get called up with Mr. VeGAS. Cause you know these people are JLP, and Mr. VeGAS was saying PNP I use OBEAH and lies and all type of wicked acts to sabotage the election so them can win and claim victory over JLP. We all know that OBEAH has nothing to do with spiritual business. You know what I mean? So we're not going to go over that right now. You see what I say? But nevertheless, let's hear what Mr. VeGAS is saying, and then we'll proceed to why RT boss name did I get called up with VeGAS, isn't it? So let's like and share the video upon our social media platforms right now, and let's get into it.
I know, man, fresh off of the plane. I know not even got my yard yet. You see me on the road, me there, but you don't know we got work to do. Now, I post a video, I go up on the plane, but I have to delete it because you know, so yeah, it kind of rush. See, because I try to catch the data before I go up on the plane. But watch you know. The virgin we are talking about nanny and disrespect nanny. So I disrespect nanny. Check your history, youth, and go do some research. Yeah? Nanny is a folklore, brother. Yeah? Nanny, if nanny come from the Ashanti tribe, she couldn't have been colonized or captured. See? Or enslaved, because the British go war with the Ashanti tribe them in the 1800s after the abolishment of slavery. Go look up that. That is a starter for you. See? But watch you now. Mark Golden and the PNP continues to run on semantics, false information, misinformation, disinformation, lies. See? Bring down, tear down, sabotage, lack of policies, lack of plans. That is where the PNP are run pan. The PNP also are run pan OBEAH. Where you think them going to dig up? Them picture, them 500 that build them with nanny. The 500 that build them with them dig up with nanny is to exploit the people them were attached to nanny based on the history where them learn about nanny. Because them learn say nanny catch all bullet with our body and them things, so them see her as a warrior and all them things there. So the spiritual people, them especially the people who love work OBEAH, them love talk about nanny and attach themselves to nanny. If nanny was even real, she would have been a sellout, because here we go on now. Nanny did link up with quote unquote her brother and sign treaty against the slaves them. So if you know them thing there, them sign up for return slave to plantation, just like the boy Curry come call your ancestors, him criminal. You see what I say? So now if you know these things, Bridget, Mark Golden is an exploiter. Him says that the people them gullible are ignorant, so them just exploit. Them can't run from policies, people. That's why them try sabotage the debate. Them want to make everything controversial, so you don't pay attention to them quote-unquote manifesto. Because if they go up on stage and talk about the manifesto, everything that the manifesto is already happening. Except the thing about diaspora and give maroon Senate seat and all them nonsense, and give community leaders or community people contract work. We know what that is. But everything that the manifesto already happened. Outside of them little things I'm point out. So them can't run on that. Irrigation are going. And Jonas bring down unemployment rate 3.3%. Debt to GDP cut in half. Or more than half. You see I say, Virgin? The people have more opportunities. Teachers' salary increased by 100%. So them are running and promote that 5% and a 2% and a 0% something here. Them are going at the teacher, them never get nothing when the government get the 300%. Or the government people then get 300%. See? The teachers, them, some teachers get all 200%. The principal, them. Go look on it. So they make it sound as if, because they were going on, them tap into ignorance. The PNP are tap into ignorance because they want to show you off. All of them things are distraction. You know, see them send out a memo. A talking point say, Integrity Commission back in play. Right after you see things leak out from Integrity Commission affidavit. Because of that, them want you to talk about. And labor rights, we have to be careful. We get trapped. Be careful of getting trapped in talking about them things that them want we talk about. We have to talk about the things that Andrew Wellness do. Road a fix up. People can go hard, go get a skill. People can get an associate degree at level 4. In America, that's a first degree. A man tell me say it's not a first degree at Jamaica. But it's a first degree in America, because that's your first degree. So when the man tell us that they're going to give degree to every household in Jamaica, well, we don't have a half a degree then. So go capitalize on that and get the bachelors. It's a start. And you can get that free. Don't make them distract you with nanny and $500 bill. They might try invoke some form of demonic spirit in the people them. Some form of OBEAH spirit on the people them, and that they might try to do. So the Christian people them want to reject that. Because a nanny something when they come with them. So nanny was a OBEAH woman, you know. So when they come now and promote nanny. Because them think so you gotta run with it and vote for them. So you gotta go against God. You gotta go against the God you believe in. Eh? Go back and look on your history and look what PNP do to the country. And them want to come back and run it now. Me see a woman that says she a go do better in her constituency down at OBEAH, down at St. James, where Omar Davis did for one term. And from 72 or 76 a PNP a run for her constituency, and she claims and now say Omar Davis never do nothing. Them are going to put in infrastructure and that kind of thing now. So why them never put in that all of this time? Look at the man with them interview. Is a reason why they don't want nationwide journalists them to ask no questions, because you see, the man we go up against, I think Audrey, he might go up against. Him don't even know how long Jamaica Labour Party have a constituency. I hear that him told him I say 9 years, then he might take it back. They have nothing to offer to the Jamaican people. I be a semantics. I be a gyo. I be a con. I be a lies. Them say, me see the affidavit where them say, Beresford file. The affidavit asks, say, for source of funds. Source of funds for 2021. But go look on Integrity Commission report. In the report it said there is nothing wrong with 2021 statutory declaration from Andrew Holness. Go look at it. Them say 2022 we must out by $1.9 million. And 2021 everything did clear. So all them are come now and ask the source of funds for 2021. Everything is go. Don't run with it. PNP Ongo can come and mash up the economy so them can benefit off of it. So they can sell them friends them government papers, receivables at low interest rate and make them sell it back to the same government like when Mark Golding and DB&G they do with PG and Omar Davies. These things are documented. Go look on the Contractor General report. Don't make them take it for idiot Jamaican people. Andrew Holness, even the PNP them know say Andrew Holness do a great job. So all of them things are distraction. Distraction. Don't fall for the distraction. Zane? Fall for your children in future. That if you fall for.
Yeah, and as you can see, the person said somebody tagged Mr. VeGAS. And I'm going to be honest with you people, you know, say, me not vote, you know, and we not endorse any party, but we have to run under the news said ways. You know what I mean? And I was wondering why they would have said tag Mr. VeGAS. And we back up on the video with Mr. VeGAS saying, you know, the science business. So we just put 1 and 2 together and give him a 3, you see? You know what I mean? But we're not going longer, this not longer your side. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest. Bless.